agreeing and disagreeing with people. Well, this kind of grammar we're going to study now, it is the typical kind of grammar we see in English, that it's easy to understand, but it's hard to put into practice. So, meaning that you have to practice to do that, right? So basically, I like coffee. Do you like coffee? If you do, you can say, me too. I like coffee. Me too, right? Now, when I say I don't like, let me see something to drink that I don't like green tea. I don't like green tea, you know? If you don't like green tea, meaning if you agree with me, you are going to say me too, right? No, you're not going to say me too. You're going to say me neither, right? So, affirmative, me too. Negative, me neither. I am a teacher. You are a teacher too. You say me too. I'm not a doctor. You are not a doctor. You say me neither, right? Okay, but then we have something a little bit more complex and a little bit more complete as well. That is, so, special verb and person for, of course, me too, and neither, special verb plus person for, of course, me neither, alright? Meaning what? No, meaning what? What kind of question is that? You already know what it means. Let's practice a little bit. I like coffee, so do I. I don't like green tea, neither do I. This is special verb, okay? I will work tomorrow, so will I. I won't watch a movie tomorrow. Yeah, I won't watch a movie tomorrow. No, that's so sad. I won't watch a movie tomorrow. I hope you are as sad as I am. Neither will I. Got it? So the idea is you are going to use a special verb according to the verbal tense, okay? You know why this kind of thing is very challenging? Because you must have all your verbal tenses practiced a lot in order to do that successfully. You must remember do, does, did, can, could, should, will, have, has, have been, and etc, 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 okay? So guys, it may be the case that you have a problem with this thing here, but the problem is not due to this grammar. The problem is due to one specific verbal tense. For example, if I say I like coffee and you say so like I, you forgot that for regular verbs I use do to ask questions, and regular verbs, not regular irregular, but regular special, regular in opposition to special verbs, right? So maybe you have to study another verbal tense when it comes to this grammar here, right? So it's nice because it's a way of getting all your knowledge together. Okay, but let's imagine you disagree with me, okay? How can you say that? You can say, I disagree with you. I think that's a nice way to say it, but it's not much of a grammar, is it? You can just say the person and the special verb. For example, I imagine you don't like coffee. I like coffee, I love coffee. And then you say, I don't, right? Imagine you like green tea, and I say I don't like green tea, and you say I do, okay? I say I won't watch a movie tomorrow, and you say I will, all right? Got it? Yeah. Or I say I won't work tomorrow, and no, I will. In my case, I will work tomorrow. I will work tomorrow, and then you say I won't. Got it? Okay. So once you have the theory, okay, keep in mind. This is when you agree with me, all of those, when you agree with me, and person plus special verb if you disagree. Alright? Take a good look at this board. Okay? Let's do some practice. I'm going to do two things at the same time. I'm sure all of you guys are very curious about my life, so I'm going to say some things about my life, and I want you guys to stop the video after each information I'll give you, and I want you to try to use. Let's forget me too, me neither for now, because they're too simple and we don't want to practice them now. So I want you to say I special verb, no, so I, Jesus, so special verb I, neither special verb I, okay? Just one observation, because before we go to our exercise, of course you could use any person here, okay? So I could say my mother loves coffee, and you could say so does my mother. My brother will not work tomorrow. Neither will my brother and sister, okay? Neither will my brother and sister, yes. Okay, you can do that with every person, right? My boss won't, I've already used won't. My boss wouldn't like to buy another car. And then you say, neither would my boss, okay? Neither will my brother and sister. Okay, got it? No problems? Okay. So I'll say something, you can pause the video and use one of those. As an extra challenge, you can think of other people, not only about yourselves. For example, I'll say, I am an English teacher. You can say, so is my friend Josefa Joaquina, okay? Or, of course, you can go to here, you don't agree, it's not the same for you, so you say, I'm not, okay? I'm an English teacher, I'm not. Okay, and I'll give you the 4 possibilities, at least in the beginning, so I can guide you. First of all, of course, I'm an English teacher. You can say, so am I. You can say, I'm not. You cannot say, neither am I, because I didn't say a sentence in the negative. Okay? I said 4 possibilities. Sorry guys, just 2 possibilities. 4 possibilities if I give the affirmative and the negative. Okay? But in my case, I just have one truth in my life, and my life is like this. I am an English teacher. You can say, so am I, or I'm not. So is my friend Olegario? No, or my friend Cynthia is not. Okay? Okay, I have 3 kids. You can say, so do I, or I don't. Or so does my boss, that has 3 kids, of course. I don't have a lot of time. You can say, neither do I. You can say, I do. I would like, if I could have a superpower, I would like to be able to stop time. You can say, if you want the same thing, so would I? Or you can say, no, I wouldn't. I would like to be invisible, or I would like to run super fast. Guys, I have to tell you, those superpowers are useless. You know, what are you going to do? Okay, I'm going to go faster to work. That's nice. Stopping time is the superpower you should go to. I should eat less sweets. You can say, so should I? Or you can say, I shouldn't, you know. I have lived in Curitiba for more than 33 years, because 34 years all of my life. I have lived in Curitiba for more than 33 years. You can say, so have I? Or you can say, I haven't. I have never been abroad. I have never been to another country. You can say, neither have I, or you can say, I have. All right? When I was 10 years old, I couldn't speak English. You can say, so, I said couldn't, right? So you can say, neither could I, or you can say, I could. Okay? And I could go on and on. Let me see if I'm forgetting any. Oh, yesterday I had cake. My son had that smash the cake, you know, and we took pictures. My wife made me do it. We took pictures, you know, and there was this huge cake he smashed, but a good part of that was still eatable, so we ate it. Okay, so okay, I know I'm digressive. I ate cake yesterday. You can say, so did I? Or you can say, I didn't. I didn't eat a hamburger yesterday. You can say, neither did I. Or you can say, I did. So on, so forth. You know, keep up the practice. The more you think about those 4 possibilities, agree with affirmative, agree with negative, disagree with affirmative, disagree with negative, the more you learn those things, the more you practice, the more natural they will become to you.